Alden with your update. Yung congrats kay Alden. Another awards para kay Alden. Ang phenomenal box office king of Philippine cinema sa 53rd Box Office Entertainment Award 2025. Ang award night ay gaganapin sa June 28 sa CPR Auditorium RCBC Building, Ayala Avenue, Makati City. Yung congrats kay Alden. So, ito pa yung mga cover ni Alden for Stargate People's Asia. Yung gwapo ni Alden. Oh. And available yan, magazine, sa Lazada. And get your copies na. Oh. Saka ito, and si Alden for Family Feud. Alden versus Marian. And this week na yan ipapalabas, Family Feud. Abangan. Saka, yung Stars on the Floor. Nasa June 28 na, sa Sabado na. Ayan, sa atin na yung mga fans ni Alden. Ayan, no? Nagdaling-dali pa nga si Alden, eh. Ayan yung sa All Out Sunday. Hataw, ah. At featuring din si Alden sa post ng GMA Network. Sabi, Alden Richard expressed by his disappointment of social media and share a photo of damaged bike frame. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.